Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the L'Oreal Hip Cream Shadow Paints in Commanding. And a little bit about the product. It's for use on eyes. It comes in this little box here with the shadow and also a little brush, which I've already gotten some of the color out. So this is what the color Commanding looks like. It's kind of a taupe, good for daytime. You can use it as a base color for nighttime, put it all over the whole entire eye, and then use a color to come in here and brighten it up. And it is 0.25 fluid ounces, and like I said, the little brush just rests there. It's nice and creamy. You don't necessarily need the brush. You can use the brush if you want to, but like as I'm showing you and putting it on my hand, it works just as effectively. I guess you get more product on the brush or your hand, depending on what you choose to do. So basically, this is a product by L'Oreal, and it provides a creamy and luminous color for stunning and intense shadow. It comes with a custom compact and an application well with a professional small brush. Can be used for all luminous crease resistant shadow, or whereas extending color enhancing base. So like I said, using it as a base for your other eyeshadows. So the custom application well is right here. So you would just squeeze a little bit of this into the well like so, and there's your color. And then go ahead and grab your little brush here and your little well, and yeah, you can use it as a base if you want, or if you like this color, you can use it just as that eyeshadow color. And this isn't going to crease. This is going to remain nice and smooth and soft. And I found it to work really well underneath other eyeshadows that I decide to put on over this Hip Cream Shadow Paint with its own custom application well. And I find that it works really well, and I've had no problems with it creasing, which happens with a lot of eyeshadows. The color just gets the color if you don't use a primer, which this can be used as a primer. Basically, it's a creamy shadow paint, but it can double as a primer since it is such a neutral color for your eye, and it helps to smooth things out over your eyelid and keep the eyeshadow from creasing. So that's one really amazing thing about this product. Like I said, L'Oreal is one of my favorite drugstore makeups because, like I said, they don't pay celebrities to endorse their products. They use models, and I think that adds to the quality of the actual product. By not using famous people, they can spend more money on actually putting it back into the product itself. So yeah, I would give this 4 stars out of 5. I'm not crazy on the color, but like I said, I use it to put as a base to put other colors on it. And like I always say, you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself, and I think you will like it. So give it a chance. The L'Oreal Hip